Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And somebody was asking me if the updates were going well. Well, it does seem when I look at the blogs of where people complain about problems, there's always somebody somewhere that has issues with Windows updates, and it's because of the nature of how a PC is. Majority of, there are bad updates. We have seen that in the past, of course, from Microsoft. But the majority of the times, the updates go well. The subset of users that have issues are often due to their own computers having something that just doesn't work right, and not Windows Update itself. I had this weird, unusual long install on my Windows 10 machines, but I see from you guys that a lot of you have had a very normal Windows 10. So, that also shows you sometimes the differences between PC to PC. I mean, there's billions of configurations out there. It's almost a miracle that Windows actually works. So the updates, of course, have seemed to go through pretty well. The background noise, as I call it, the people that are having issues, is within the range, the normal range. There's nothing that really, kind of goes outside of the box that I can notice. Of course, sometimes it takes a few days to have the problems pop up, but for now it seems to be a normal update for everybody. I also often have the pulse of when updates are problematic because in the comments here I see the people telling me, oh, I've got that error, that problem, this thing doesn't work. When I start seeing that in my own comments below the videos, people are commenting that they have issues, and there are many of them. I kind of have a hint already personally that something's wrong. But in this case, I haven't seen anyone, I think, tell me that the update didn't seem to work well. So I think it shows that this month's updates seem to be pretty safe. And once again, they fixed the VPN problems for those that were having issues with VPN. They are also fixing a few other things. On the server side, they had errors and problems that are being fixed with that. If, once again, you haven't installed the updates from last month, they are showing up, which means that on Windows 11 Start menu, you get more ads now. It's part of the problems, and we'll call it problems of the last bug-fixing updates. Windows 10, same thing. You got that bug-fixing update from last month if you haven't done it already. For the rest, once again, don't worry about the .NET not being on your PC. It's not a problem. And if it doesn't show up, there's reasons for that. I don't think anything's wrong. I think too many people worry about, well, why do you have that and I don't have that and so on. It doesn't matter. It's as long as you get the main updates, the main security updates, that's the important thing. If you don't have the .NET, probably you already have it or don't need it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.